it's me again, Mamacita Nicole. Of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes! So today, I'm going to fold the weeds in outside. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and God bless! So, ipakita ko sa inyo guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung weeds na tanggalin natin kasi super laki na talaga niya guys, no? So, ito na siya. Ito. So, ang dami-dami talaga ng mga sagbot dito guys. Kaya ito yung tanggalin natin, tapos isprehan namin. We use some chemicals to kill this weed. So, ayan. At saka meron din sa harap namin. I-share ko din sa inyo. At saka they have something in there. Some little bit weeds. And this one too guys. Super taba niya kasi since na wala kami dito. Almost 2 months, no? So tumataba talaga siya, no? Tulad din na yan ng mga tao, no? Na napabaya sa pagkain. Tumataba yan. Kaya patayin natin yan guys. Isprehan natin yan ng chemicals. So ito din naman yung grass namin. Yung itong grass, hindi na namin yan patayin kasi hindi naman yan weeds. So now, i-share ko sa inyo how to spray with the chemicals and to fold the weeds guys. So let's start now. So now we need to mix the chemicals for 2 ounces and the rest of this is water.
Bubbles, you need to turn it just a little bit more. You still have some bubbles.
Ayan guys, spray na. I think 3 days or 4 days, the weeds is gonna be died for these chemicals we use. I wear gloves when I fold the weeds in case have sharp so my hands is not really hurt. It's little bit hard to fold the weeds because it's really long and then the soil is really dry. So I almost fall down. So I keep fold the weeds until I can take it all. Super tigas niya tanggalin guys. Kasi yung ano niya, soil is really dry. nakakapagod pala magtanggal ng sagbot. Lalo na yung mga malalaki tapos matitigas. Nako. Lalo na mainit din.
So guys, I'm done working in the yard. Anyway, since we went to Colorado Springs almost 2 months, we don't have time to spray the weeds. That's why the weed is super long and super busy also. So anyway, thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Bye guys and have a God bless.